Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Funtastic Art. Today I'll be drawing a rabbit, so let's work together on it. So I'm going to be using crayons, and the colors you will need is green for the grass, spring green for the fur, and pink for the inside of the ears. And you'll need a pencil to draw. So let's get drawing. So first you're going to draw a big circle like that, and then we're going to draw the eyes by doing 2 circles. And then you can draw 2 little circles inside. Then you can just color it in. And I'm going to add eyelashes because I want to make mine a girl. If you want to make it a boy, you can don't add the eyelashes. And then we're going to draw the mouth and the nose like that, and do the nose like that, and color it in. And then draw the ears. And draw the inside too. Then let's draw the body. So do a big type of oval. And then we're going to draw like a fluffy circle for the tail. And draw the cute little feet. And we're going to draw a bit of grass too. And it has to go off the page. And we're going to draw the sun. And I forgot that you needed yellow. So we'll get that yellow later. So draw lines around the circle. And maybe we're going to draw 2 little lines on each feet so they can look like legs a bit more. And maybe we'll add a little tongue sticking out and draw some lines in the tail. Like that. Draw a lot of them. And you just draw like little zigzags. And now let's color. So wait, let me just get some yellow for the sun. And let's color in the inside of the ears first. Like that. And maybe I'll use a pink to color the tongue too. And you're gonna need your spring green, but press it lightly. So it looks like fur. And if I'm going too fast, you can pause the video. And let's color it in the legs and the tail. And don't forget the face too. And we don't need spring green anymore. And now let's color in the sun. And then we can trace around the pencil lines so it looks more like a sun. And now let's color in the grass. And if your drawing doesn't look like my drawing, it's okay. And there we drew a rabbit. So bye everyone.